There is something about the Nordic elements. Sizzling forests, rippling streams, and breathtaking mountains. You've heard it before. It's about nature, and above all, how we coexist with it. In our work, nature is our key player. Without it, we would not exist. Nature is our leading light in our anodizing treatment method. Anodizing is sustainable, corrosion resistant, and gives a smooth finish. It all comes down to you and your creations, giving them the strength to withstand the elements, today, tomorrow, in the future.